they call them, not unkindly, the sons of Hardhill. As if a farm could sire boys as surely as a father. In the weeks after the grass market, the name traveled faster than the car. It meant 3 lads with their mother close by, who worked a bit too early, sang a bit too late, and kept a Bible on the table like a fourth meal. Bill, the eldest, grew quiet in a single night. He took the plow handles the way his father had held a bridge. Square, steady, no wasted motion. His speech trimmed itself down to what was needful and true, when neighbors offered a pity that came bright as a coin and heavy as a debt. He met it with work. The furrows were a kind of song, straight lines under wide listening sky. James read, he read everything their father left, the testimony, a few scoffed sermons copied by other hands, half a dozen letters that smelled faintly of tallow. He sounded the words out to his wee brother until Alexander could echo whole scenes of them by heart. When Margaret mended at the hearth, James would look up from the page and ask, "What does usurpations mean, mother?" And she would answer in her own turn, "It means no man is king where Christ is already king."
Yes, no man is king.
No man.
No man is king where Christ is already king.
These are the words Daddy penned.
No man is king where Christ is already king.
Alexander, the youngest, could not help but run. He ran messages to friendly farms, ran to meet travelers, ran to the ridge just to stand higher in the wind. Once he ran to Priestill with a packet of meal. Too much for his arms and not enough for the widow brown, and found instead that he had gone there to take some weight off his own heart. He said little on the way home, even he had places where words could not keep up. That first winter, Margaret kept the boys warm by keeping them busy. They mended harrows, patched a by roof, stacked peach shoulder high. Each night when they were tinder dry with weariness, he set the Bible down and laid their father's last testimony beside it. She did not read the whole in a rush, she measured it out the way a careful woman measures meal. Nothing wasted, enough for the morrow. When she came to the line, "I am a witness that Christ is a good master," she did not weep. She simply smoothed the page flat with her palm, as if those words were creased linen that ought to be proper for the table.
I am a witness that Christ is a good master. I am a witness, I am a witness.
A witness that Christ is a good master. These are the words Captain John penned on the 10th winter after the scaffold. Storm came down the valley like a man who meant it. hatch held, the peat stack held, they had done their work. Inside, while the wind pressed like a big animal against the door, Margaret set the Bible down, and then her husband's words. She was slower now, stern only when slowness was mistaken for softness. Hugh had lines at his eyes that the plow had etched. James had a lilt to his voice that came of reading aloud for years. Alexander had finally grown into his limbs. He still ran, but now he